everybody, welcome to a new, some sort of vlog video. I'm still not sure if I should name it a vlog. Probably Artist Diaries is a more suitable name for this type of videos. Well, it doesn't matter, all in all. First of all, can you see this tiny thing? Yeah, finally I got a high quality microphone, so I will not struggle with the sound quality. That's amazing. Secondly, it is February and I don't like this month at all. I think we will talk about this a little bit later. Well, today I have several things to sort out. I have one very exciting unpacking, and I also need to clean up a little bit here in my creative cave, and I hope so much I will have some time to sketch in my sketchbook today. I want to do it. I hope so much I will have enough time for it. Maybe later in the evening. Initially, I planned to release this video in February, and most of the footages were filmed back then. But I got super busy at the end of the month and into early March, so it just wasn't possible. And now, as I'm recording this voiceover, I assume the video is going up somewhere in middle March, I guess. Yeah, most likely. You know, at first I was really upset that I couldn't release it as I planned, but then I thought, like, who cares? Well, this is a February video coming out in March, so let it be this way. I'm super excited about this unboxing because I finally received the art print and canvas print samples I ordered for my upcoming shop. When I first started planning the shop, I had no idea it would take me this long, you know. And there was always something that came up along the way. For example, I'm still figuring out the taxation side of things, because in Portugal, selling physical products is completely different from providing services or from selling digital products. The accounting in general is much more complicated because of that. Also, I've been waiting for my samples from potential printing partners to arrive, and it took a lot of time, and sometimes other projects distracted me, etc. But yeah, now at least I have my samples and they are amazing, by the way. And now I feel like, I don't know, one step closer. Initially, it was very difficult to make a decision about my printing partner, but now I think I made my decision. The printing quality is just perfect. I love the paper quality, and I love so much how vibrant the colors are. That's amazing. It just happened this way that February is my least favorite month throughout the year, because in different years a lot of very sad things happened in February, so it is a kind of life-changing month for me. In the first place, of course, I'm talking about the Russian-Ukrainian war, which affected me a lot, and it affected me mentally, it affected me kind of physically. And yeah, when February comes, it is usually gives me a lot of reflection on all the horrible events that happened in this month. And when 3 years ago the war started, I remember that as a Russian, it is an important note, I felt such an unbearable and horrible shame and sorrow, and I think there is no words to describe this feeling. I think, yeah, it is most likely I will not be able to do it. And this unbearable shame that I felt back then, of course, it stays with me. It kind of slightly transformed, slightly got a little bit less, but all in all, I think that is something that I will bear with me probably for the rest of my life, unfortunately. Because of the war, I had to relocate, and I don't know, from some perspective, it changed my life in a better way, because now I'm in a wonderful place, but still, the mental stain, the mental effect of the war is still with me. And again, I have no idea when I will be able to kind of heal from this trauma. Every time I talk about this, especially online, I feel that I have no right to complain. And partly maybe it is true because millions of Ukrainians suffered much, much worse. And yeah, but at the same time, the war affected my life too. So I don't know, it is very difficult to keep it within. It is very difficult not to share. But still, I don't know whether I have some moral rights to, to talk about my struggles. There is something that I learned throughout this very long period, is that no matter how you want to change global situation, no matter how you can agree or disagree with everything what is happening globally, all you can do is just live your tiny life, and all you can do is just to fill your life with things that you can personally do. For me, it is creating, it is making art, creating videos for you, I don't know, being busy with my routine, I don't know, take care of plants, enjoy nature. That's privilege I believe that I have in my life, and that is how probably I try to heal myself. I try to heal myself just with everyday routine, very simple, but still it works. It works because that is something that you personally can do. Hello guys, it is morning and we arrived in a new place to walk, so I have no idea what we can find here, so let's try to explore it together. The place is really beautiful, but there is one detail, very important detail. It is not very comfortable to be here with Thor, because here are a lot of animals like sheep, cows, etc. And he I don't know, he tries to play with them or he tries to kill them, I don't know. It is a little bit dangerous to be here with him, but all in all, the place is wonderful. Just look at this. I wonder what is he thinking about right now. Probably he thinks about when I stop filming and we will go and have breakfast. I'm sure. Well, it is not a very popular place. Here you can see some farms located with animals, and if I'm not mistaken, even a fish farm located somewhere here. And yeah, thanks to the fact it is not very popular, of course, there's no one here, and it is such a pleasure to explore such place alone. As you can see, sun already appeared here, and it was the loveliest walk. I enjoyed it so much, and now it's time to go home. We're sorry. He was wrong. He was not right. Bye bye. It is a sunny day today, so I have to wear sunglasses. Today we're going to... Oh my god, it is broken. Today we're going to repot these beautiful tomatoes. I have 3 plants in total to repot today, and I hope so much it will go smoothly. I have no idea how it will go because I'm not a very good gardener and not very experienced gardener, despite the name of this channel. Yeah, fingers crossed. Wish me luck. You will not believe, but it started raining. Well, if you think that middle-age crisis looks like this, no way. Maybe. Truth be told, I planted the tomato seeds just for fun. I didn't expect they will grow so much, so now I think that I need to take proper care of them, and now I feel some responsibility for them. Also, I had a consultation with the greatest gardening expert in the world, aka my mom. And yeah, she said to me basically that it is time for me to replant these babies. And now I will try to follow her instructions. And if you see that I do something wrong, it is most likely I do everything wrong. So don't repeat. I also hope so much that you noticed what I used to support my tomatoes. So you can say for sure that these are artist's tomatoes, of course. Please don't die. Please don't die. Oh. That is what we call potential. By the end of this video, welcome to a short calming sketchbook session. I know you like to see sketching processes and I like to create sketches, so yeah, this is a win-win situation, I think. Today I will be painting with tempera and markers. This sketch is definitely inspired by my recent repotting session, so we're going to paint a tomato plant. I think I could draw tomatoes endlessly. Is it an obsession? No. I started with a quick messy sketch, not worrying about precision, and that is what I love about sketchbook sessions. I can be more relaxed, let go of the fear of making mistakes, and mostly just enjoy the process. That's the point. For the painting, as usual, I used mostly basic colors because I love mixing my greens and other shades from scratch. I'm not sure if I can say it this way. Yeah, like from scratch, okay. And it's such a meditative and relaxing part of the process for me. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know, what are you waiting for? Do it right now. Traditionally, special thanks to my amazing, wonderful patrons. You guys are the best. See you in the next video. Bye bye.